In this video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your body wave step by step in Bachata Sensual. Let's go! So the first step to learn the body wave is we make one little step forward, we open our feet a little bit so they are turned outwards, and now we start bringing our weight to the front and to the back. We count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, when you got this, let's start by opening our chest a little bit when we go to the front and to sit down when we go to the back. So we go now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now when we sit down, we close our chest. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. The next step is that you try to start bringing a little bit movement to your upper body when you do this and you connect the movement. So you go and make here a half circle like this, and when you go back you make a half circle like this. Okay, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The last step to make it look very pretty is that you use your hips and push your hip outwards when you go up. This would look like this. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Really use your knees to push your hip outwards and use the energy to start the next wave, okay? One last tip. Make sure that when you go to the front that you don't dive down and you don't bend your knees. You always have your legs straight and your upper body goes diagonally up to the ceiling. So you always start up and not down, okay? If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to watch our other videos. They will help you as well to improve your dance. Subscribe to our channel and see you next time. Bye!